Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, we'll be making a plant-based vegan almond milk. So let's get right into it. To start off, we're going to mix half a cup of raw almonds into half a cup of water. And we're going to leave this to soak for at least 2 hours or overnight. The soaking will help us to make the almonds easier to take off their skin. So now we're going to take off their skin, and it should be really easy, as you can see. And you should just have the white part, and that's all that we need. So after we have peeled off the skin, we are going to drain off the water and we're going to be ready to blend. Now I have my blender and we're going to add the half a cup of almonds that we have peeled off the skin and 3 pitted dates. The dates we're using to give sweetness to the milk. And we're going to add 2 cups of water. Then we're going to put the lid on and we're going to blend this. Alright, so now I'm going to blend this and we're going to blend until we have a nice creamy texture. After we have blended for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's a nice creamy texture, we're going to add the rest of the 2 cups and we're going to blend for about 30 seconds. Alright, so now we're going to place our milk into the milk bag, which I will link in the description, and we're going to squeeze this as tight as we can so we can get all the liquid milk out into the jar, and in the bag will remain a oily type of dough which you can use for your bread, for your oatmeal or pancakes or waffles, anything really. So your milk will last from 5 to 7 days. You can use it for cooking, for baking, for anything really. These are the finishing results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.